Which of the following Vedas contains treatment for diseases? Answer D. Atharva Ved. Who first used the word India for India? Answer B. Megasthenes. In which of the following cities was the Sangam assemblies held? Answer D. Madurai. Tripitaka scripture is. Answer D. Of Buddhists. Who was known as Devanampriya Priyadarshi? Answer A. Ashoka Maurya. Which of the following was the capital of Magadh for several years before it was shifted to Pataliputra? Answer D. Rajgriha. Who is called the father of Indian archaeology? Answer A. Alexander Cunningham. Who wrote the great literary work, Mricchakatika? Answer B. Shudraka. Who among the following visited India during the reign of Harshavardhana? Answer B. Shanzang. Who among the following is known for his work on medicine during the Gupta period? Answer D. Sushruta. The name of the creator of Mahabhashya is. Answer B. Patanjali. Who was the first Indian ruler who had territory outside India? Answer A. Kanishka. Pulakesan II was the greatest ruler of Thay. Answer B. Chalukyas of Badami. Which of the following sites of Indus Valley civilization is located in Punjab, India? Answer D. Roped. Harshavardhana was written by whom? Answer B. Banabhatta. Who of the following is one of the 9 gems of Chandragupta II? Answer D. Varaha Mihir. Which Mauryan emperor led a military campaign to conquer Kalinga, around 260 BCE? Answer B. Ashoka. Which of the following foreign travelers was the first to visit India? Answer A. Megasthenes. In which year was the Harappan civilization discovered? Answer B. 1921 AD. Where is Angkor Wat located? Answer D. Cambodia. Who of the following was the founder of Nalanda University? Answer A. Kumar Gupta. During the time of Satavahanas, currency was mostly made of which metal? Answer A. Lead. The first country in which Buddhism was propagated outside India was. Answer D. Sri Lanka. In which Veda, information has been given about the culture of ancient Vedic era? Answer A. Rigveda. Which dynasty ruled India between 320 AD and 550 AD? Answer D. Gupta dynasty. Which of the following sites related to Indus Valley is located in Rajasthan? Answer C. Kalibangan. Who among the following was the first scholar to decipher the Ashokan edicts? Answer D. James Prinsep. Which of the following Kushan kings, who assumed the title, the Lord of the whole world? Answer B. Kadphisas II. The construction of the Sanchi Stupa was commissioned by which Mauryan emperor? Answer C. Ashoka. Which aspect has been highlighted in Kautilya's Arthashastra? Answer B. Political policies. Which of the followings was not a Harappan city? Answer C. Mehergarh. Who was the first Gupta ruler to adopt the title of Maharajdhirja? Answer A. Chandragupta I. Rabatak inscription is related to. Answer C. From Kanishka. In which of the following states was Lord Mahavira born? Answer C. Bihar. Which is considered as ancient currency in India? Answer A. Ahat coins. By what name did the people of India know Varma in ancient times? Answer A. Subarnabhumi. Indus Valley Civilization is a. Answer D. Bronze Age Civilization. Which of the following texts is not considered a part of Shruti Granth? Answer D. Purana. Whose book is Jatak? Answer C. Buddhist. The protagonist of the play, Malavikagnimitram, by Kalidasa was. Answer C. Agnimitra. The two Indians whose names are associated with the discovery of the Indus Valley Civilization are. Answer A. Dayaram Sahni and Rakhal Das Banerjee. By whom is Ashtadhyayi written? Answer B. Panini. Kujula Kadphises was king of which dynasty? Answer C. Kushan dynasty. Al-Biruni was a historian during whose reign? Answer A. Mahmud Ghaznavi. The Iron Pillar at Mehrauli in Delhi is believed to record the achievements of. Answer D. Chandragupta II. The Uttaramarur inscription provides information of the administration of The. Answer D. Cholas. In Tamil literature, the glorious books, Shilpadikaram and Manimakalai, are related to. Answer B. Buddhism. Who wrote Mricchakatikam? Answer D. Shudrak. Which of the following was the early capital of the Rashtrakutas? Answer B. Ellora. In the Vedic age, who was the head of grammar? Answer B. Gramini.